Painting like a pro requires careful preparation, the right tools, and proper techniques to ensure a smooth and professional-looking finish. The first step in any DIY home painting project is preparation, which includes cleaning the walls, patching any holes or cracks, sanding rough areas, and applying painter's tape to protect trim, ceilings, and other surfaces. Choosing high-quality paint and brushes or rollers makes a significant difference in the final result, as premium materials provide better coverage and a more even finish. Before painting, priming the walls is essential, especially if covering a dark color or painting on new drywall, as it helps the top coat adhere better and last longer. When selecting a paint finish, it's important to consider the function of the room. Matte finishes hide imperfections, satin and eggshell are durable and easy to clean, while gloss and semi-gloss work best for trim and doors. Once the prep work is complete, start painting by cutting in the edges using a high-quality angled brush before rolling the larger surfaces with a roller, ensuring even coverage and a smooth application. It's best to work in small sections and use a W or M pattern when rolling to avoid streaks or uneven patches. Applying multiple thin coats rather than one thick coat ensures better durability and a flawless finish. Proper ventilation is also crucial when painting indoors, as it helps the paint dry faster and reduces exposure to fumes. Taking breaks between coats allows the paint to dry properly and prevents smudging or streaking. After finishing the final coat, removing painter's tape before the paint fully dries prevents peeling, and touching up any missed spots ensures a professional look. Cleaning brushes and rollers immediately after use prolongs their lifespan and makes future projects easier. Investing in drop cloths or plastic sheeting to cover floors and furniture prevents unwanted spills and messes, making cleanup much simpler. Proper lighting also plays a key role in achieving a professional-looking paint job, as shadows or dim lighting can make it difficult to see missed spots or uneven areas. If painting a ceiling, using a paint roller with an extension pole reduces strain and ensures even coverage. For a high-end finish, consider using specialized techniques such as color washing, sponge painting, or stenciling to add texture and dimension to the walls. Another professional trick is to lightly sand between coats to create an ultra-smooth surface and eliminate any bumps or drips. If painting cabinets or furniture, removing doors and hardware before painting ensures a neater, more polished result. Choosing the right weather conditions for painting, such as a dry and mild day, prevents paint from drying too quickly or too slowly, affecting the final finish. Whether refreshing a single room or tackling an entire house, following these expert tips will ensure a professional-looking paint job that enhances the beauty and value of any home.